Hi ladies, menopause, menopause, menopause. Well, let me just say this. God didn't decide that at age 50 we were all going to suffer and be miserable. No, menopause is not a disease, it's a natural process, but there are symptoms because hormones are changing and hormones are the messengers of the body. So our bodies are now getting a slightly different message or a vastly different message, but it's all controllable and treatable. Let's talk about red clover for menopause symptoms. Did you know that one of the leading recommendations for menopausal women and one of the first lines of defense for your symptoms is red clover? Red clover is a phyto-estrogen, which means it gently raises estrogen levels and is wonderful for those of you who do not wish to use bioidentical estrogen, or you can't find a doctor who will give you bioidentical estrogen, or you can't afford one. Well, nature to the rescue. A panel of leading internationally renowned women's health experts published a paper touting the benefits of red clover. I'm sure you've heard about isoflavones. Well, they have benefits, and red clover has more isoflavones than soy, and it does not negatively affect the thyroid as soy can do. It has all the 4 major isoflavones in red clover, where soy has only 2. And you do not need a doctor to get red clover. I have it right here in the Better Health Naturally Menopause Moisture Creme. It's 60 milligrams of red clover per dose, which is a great dose, and it can reduce symptoms of hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, anxiety, depression, hair loss, and very importantly, bone loss. Listen to this information on bone health. After 12 weeks, red clover stopped osteoclasts from breaking down all-important bone tissue. Red clover also increased bone mineral density and bone formation. So with red clover, you can put the brakes on that predicted 2 to 4% bone loss after the age of 50. Not for us. I love red clover. There is a over-the-counter capsule called Promensal that has 40 milligrams of red clover, but it contains no progesterone, and of course it's a weaker strength. With the menopause cream, you get your progesterone and red clover all in one. Also, once again, it comes down to pill versus cream, and if you know me, my motto, cream comes first over all the other choices. Other powerful benefits: red clover isoflavones protect the heart by reducing plaque and increasing those good cholesterol levels. Red clover can also improve diabetes and insulin resistance by lowering glucose levels and balancing your blood sugar. It can also help with feelings of depression, which is a very common menopausal symptom as estrogen drops. So, as I said, red clover is here in the menopause cream. It's combined with 40 milligrams of progesterone in your daily dose. I think it's the perfect cream to help you move along symptom-free into menopause and beyond. By the way, if you are interested in actual bioidentical estrogen combined with progesterone all in one tube, email me. I have something for you that I do not sell online. So, the bottom line, menopausal symptoms are treatable and reversible, and you can stop the so-called suffering, or don't start it in the first place. Email me with any personal questions you don't want to post on social media under this video. Just email me, Barbara at AskBarbaraHoffman.com. I'm here to help you.